Imagine sipping on a tropical elixir that not only quenches your thirst, but also nourishes your body from within. Picture a drink that hails from lush, sun-drenched tropics, where coconuts are gently cracked open to reveal a treasure trove of hydration. This is not just the story of any ordinary beverage, but the tale of coconut water. Bursting with vital electrolytes and a host of health benefits, it's a drink that rejuvenates and revitalizes. This isn't just any ordinary drink, it's coconut water, a powerhouse of vital nutrients and hydration. Coconut water isn't just about its refreshing taste, it's also packed with an abundance of health benefits. Let's dive right in. When it comes to hydration, few drinks can match the natural electrolyte-rich composition of coconut water. It replenishes fluids and maintains hydration levels in the body, making it an excellent choice after a rigorous workout. But it doesn't stop there. Coconut water is a natural balance of essential electrolytes like potassium, sodium, and magnesium, supporting proper muscle function and preventing dehydration. Plus, with its low calorie count, it's a healthier alternative to sugary beverages for those keeping an eye on their calorie intake. Speaking of health, the potassium content in coconut water has been found to support heart health by helping regulate blood pressure and reducing the risk of stroke and heart disease. And if you're looking for digestive support, look no further. Coconut water contains fiber and bioactive enzymes that aid digestion and promote a healthy gut. But what about your skin? Well, coconut water has you covered. Its hydrating properties and vitamin C content contribute to radiant and hydrated skin. Need an energy boost? The natural sugars and electrolytes in coconut water provide a quick energy surge without the crash associated with sugary drinks. Studies also suggest that coconut water may help prevent kidney stones by promoting proper hydration and urinary health. And let's not forget its immune support. The vitamins and minerals in coconut water, such as vitamin C and zinc, help the body fight off infections. With so many health benefits, it's clear that coconut water is more than just a refreshing drink. It's a wellness tonic right from nature's lap. Coconut water isn't just for sipping on a hot day, its versatility can be enjoyed in a myriad of ways. This tropical elixir is not limited to being a standalone drink. In fact, it can be a delightful addition to your smoothies, giving them an extra burst of hydration and natural sweetness. Try freezing coconut water into popsicles for a refreshing, guilt-free dessert. It's also a fantastic base for other beverages, adding a unique twist to your cocktails or mocktails. Now let's talk about preserving this natural delight. If you're cracking open a fresh coconut, remember that the water is best consumed immediately. However, if you have leftovers, it can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 24 hours. For longer preservation, consider freezing it into ice cubes. These can be dropped into your drinks, adding a coconutty punch of flavor and nutrients. So the next time you're looking for a refreshing, health-boosting drink, reach for a glass of coconut water and enjoy the tropical journey to wellness.